Hello everyone, today we are checking out the Freefish's wireless charging station alarm clock. It is a 6-in-1 multifunctional wireless Bluetooth speaker, digital alarm clock, FM radio, 3-position night light, phone stand, and charging station for your phone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. So taking a closer look, we have a fairly large nightstand desktop style digital alarm clock that weighs in at 810 grams and measures in at about 7 inches in diameter and stands at about 2 inches tall folded, and with the flip up phone stand folded up about 7 inches tall. Now the flip up phone stand slash wireless charger also charges the Apple Watch and has a built-in night light with 3 brightness levels. And the top of the base behind the phone stand is where you will find the wireless charger for the AirPods. Now it comes in the choice of 2 colors, the black one that I have here today or the gold version. It is made out of ABS plastic with fabric covering on the top. We have the digital LED display in the front. We have the large snooze slash light button on the top and some functional buttons. We'll come back to those later. On the bottom is the removable non-slip silicone footing, which has the screw to unscrew the base off of the top and the indirect speaker grill. We have the USB Type-C charge port and more cutouts for heat dissipation. Now the sound quality is exceptionally excellent with 2 main 5-watt 50mm speakers facing up that produces the highs and the mid-range, with the indirect reflective bass driver dome facing down, which is very effective in producing low frequency bass sounds. And when it is placed on a table, it utilizes the tabletop surface to produce shaking bass that you can actually feel on the table. Now the built-in battery is an 1800 milliamp lithium ion 18650 battery, and there is more than enough room next to that battery if you want to parallel connect more batteries. Now one thing to note is that with the battery only power, it will not charge up your devices, but will perform all of the other functions. So it is actually portable. You just cannot charge your stuff. And only when the USB-C power source is connected will it wirelessly charge up your devices. Now the input voltage is 5 volts DC at 2.1 amps and a 5 volt DC at 3 amp power brick with the USB-C charge cable is provided. However, it will also charge up via a small 5 volt DC solar panel that produces only 850 milliamps of current. And because of this solar being connected, it will now allow your devices to be charged up. So this will make a perfect charging source for your devices when there are no outlets, like when you are out camping, or if the power goes out. Now the output power for the phone charging is 5 watts up to 15 watts, and the other two wireless charging for the watch and the AirPods are 2.5 watts each. So the first button is called the mode button. Press it and you can change the hour. Use the minus and the plus buttons to increase or decrease the values. Press the mode button again to change the minutes. Again, use the minus and the plus buttons to change the values. Press again to change from the 12-hour format to the 24-hour format. Press again to set or change the first alarm clock hour, increase or decrease. Press again to set the minutes of the first alarm clock time. Press one more time to change the second alarm clock time. Plus and minus to increase or decrease the hour. Press again to change the minutes, increase or decrease the minutes. The next button is marked an S, and that allows you to scroll through the exact same modes that we just went through with the mode button, but you cannot make any changes. Next, we have the BT button for Bluetooth. Press it and the Bluetooth connectivity turns on. And it will start looking for a device to be connected with. So turn on your phone and go into the Bluetooth section and connect to SO9. And just like that, you are connected. Now you can adjust the volume with the plus and the minus button. There are 16 adjustable volume levels. You can pause and play with the play button, and long press the plus button for the next song and the previous song with the long press of the minus button. Next is the FM button for the radio transmission in FM radio. Now, long press the play button to automatically set the receivable stations.
Because it doesn't help anybody.
Once it is done acquiring all of the receivable stations, it will show the preset numbers and it will auto toggle between the current time, the preset number, and the FM frequency. Use the plus and the minus buttons to scroll through the stations. And long press to adjust the volume.
We don't do no gossiping, we don't do no arguing, we don't beef on social sites, we just hit our target.
Press the FM button to exit the radio. Now the minus button also serves as the brightness button for the clock display, which is really nice to dim the display so it doesn't hurt the eyes in the darkness. And during the day you can brighten it up to the highest level. You have 3 brightness levels and off. Now the plus button also serves as the alarm on and off button. So long press to turn on alarm 1 and then alarm 2. Long press again to turn off alarm 1 and then alarm 2. Now you can set the preset alarm sound volume with the plus and the minus buttons while the alarm is on. And finally, here is the snooze button. You can hit the snooze button to snooze for 5 minutes at a time for 3 snoozes. And turn on the 3 brightness level night light by pressing the snooze button, 30%, 70%, and 100% brightness. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and remove the sticker that is on the top. I don't need it anymore. There you go. Now this is a really nice product, and it has like a little cutout area where it marks where you should put your AirPods. Now there are a couple of things I would like to add to make this product even better. And that would be to make these buttons illuminate so you can see what you are pressing at night when it's dark. And also, if it had an audio in and out feature somewhere, it would have been nice. So you could use things like this iPod shuffle for the music with the audio out. And you could even daisy chain other speakers with the audio in or audio out. Other than that, it is a solid product. Check it out. The link is down below. So that'll do it for this video of the Freefish Bluetooth speaker, alarm clock, wireless charging station. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you again next time.
I've been watching you. Ah, la, la, la.